So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 11 mathematics. Class 12 mathematics it is. If f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1 is given to you all, these are the functions which is given to you all, 3x minus 4 and x square plus 1. Here for the first condition, this x lies between 0 and 2. Second condition, the x lies between 2 and 4, and the third condition, x lies between 4 and 6. So state the domain of f, find f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 5 and f of 7 if they exist. Okay, so for your knowledge purpose, you take down this information. The domain of f is f. The domain of f is x where x belongs to R 0, and this x lies between 0 and 6. Okay, the domain, you all can write down, the domain is divided into 3 parts, and the formula for f of x is different in each part. Hence, to find out the value of f, we must use the proper formula according to the value of x. For example, to find f of 1, we see that x is equal to 1 is the part where x lies between 0 and 2 of the domain. In this part, the formula for f is x square plus x plus 1, and therefore what you can write down is f of 1 is equal to x square plus x plus 1 at x is equal to 1. Okay, so x is equal to 1, what is going to happen? Replace x by 1 now. So you will get 1 square, 1 plus 1. So 1 square is nothing but 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 3. So similarly, if you plug in place of x2, similarly f of 2 is equal to 2 square plus 2 plus 1. But 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 plus 2. So 2 square is nothing but 4 plus 2 plus 1. 4, 5, 6. So our answer will be 7 over here. Okay. Next is f of 3 is equal to 3x minus 4 at x is equal to 3. So x, you are replacing it by 3 now. So 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 4 will give you 5. Okay. Moving towards the next part. And f of 5 is equal to 5 square plus 1 is equal to 26. So 5 square is nothing but 25. Okay. Now this 5 square plus 1 is there, so it is 25 plus 1, which is going to give you 6. Okay, f of 7 does not exist since x is equal to 7 does not belong to the domain of f. Okay, if does not belong to domain of f, you all are not supposed to do it. Okay, so now next you all can solve this exercise 10.2 from here. You all can try all these two. Okay, and I hope you have understood this. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.